Is your washing machine working but not washing? See, turning slowly, not agitating well? Do you notice that the machine is using electricity but the washing head is not working at all? That means you have a worn out bed. Yes. So take notice of this as you are using your washing machine so that you can know when to change your beds. Now, we want to change the bed now. How do we remove the old bed and how do we replace it? How do we remove the old bed and reinstall a new bed onto the washing machine? Stick with me in this video and watch to the end to learn every bit of it. There is the last point that you must not miss in order to be able to do it yourself. I know you will learn it when you watch it to the end. So let us go. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove these knobs. 3 knobs must be removed. Reason being that this machine will be turned upside down. And if you turn the machine upside down, the knobs, as you are walking, can be shifting on the floor and then starts the timer. You don't want that to happen. So you must remove the 3 knobs. So you have flat screwdrivers like this. Just put them under and begin to lift the knob. You see? Quite easy. Quite easy. So just lift it. That's the first step. Now the second step is to remove the back cover. By removing this back cover, alright. So after removing the back cover, you see the internal parts. Here is the spinning motor and here is the washing motor. By paying good attention to the inner part, you can see the washing machine washing motor. You can see some dust, some black dust around it. That is sign that the bed is wearing out. So this is what I mean. You see, under is black. Can you see? Can you see how black my fingers are? These are the signs of worn out bed. The bed is wearing out gradually, and the dust of the wear is all we see that is accumulating on the motor itself. And that's a very good sign that your bed is wearing out and needs replacement. Let's go and see how to do this. So we turn the machine upside down. So we need to open this bottom cover and bring it out to reveal the belt that we are going to change. To do that, remove all the screws that hold the bottom cover. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And also, you might also remove all the screws. You remove the 3 screws that hold the spinner motor in order to bring the cover out. Right. These 3 are the screws holding the spinning motor. It must be removed to be able to open this bottom cover. So the bottom cover is now free to be opened. You can see the inner parts. You won't be able to remove it completely because of the connection to the motor, to the wire connected to the motor. So we can leave it this way. So we leave the motor this way. So we're able to expose the inner parts. So we can see all these black dots. These are signs of our beds that is wearing out. And so the belt is connected. Here is the belt. The belt is connected to this pulley and to the motor pulley. Here is the motor pulley. So you install to this pulley and to the motor pulley when the bottom cover is closed. You can clearly see that the washing motor is attached to the bottom cover of the machine. So we can actually install it without removing the motor, because the screw that hold the motor, they are from inside. So the first thing is to install the motor in the bottom cover, then bring the cover down while you use your hand to install the belt onto the pulleys. So what we do is to cover it back, but not fully covered and not screwed. Then we slightly open. So when it is slightly open like that, use one hand to bring in the belt and use the other hand to actually open the cover. Now we take this belt to the motor pulley first. That's the smaller pulley. Ensure that it's inside the smaller pulley like this, as you can see. Then bring the cover back to its position while you hold it down, and use the second hand to take the belt to the bigger pulley and roll it around the bigger pulley as you do that. So you take the belt to the mouth of the bigger pulley while you close it to your hand and roll it. As you roll it, make sure that the belt is now being put into the two pulleys. The belt is inside the two pulleys while my hand is still inside. But the belt is already in its place. So if you open it slightly, you can see it's on the bigger pulley and also on the smaller pulley. Then you close it back from the other side. You can inspect what we have just done. You can see the belt. So by adjusting the spinning motor to its position, then the cover will be able to sit back to the right position. So the plastic must be set. There are two plastic on each of the three legs that will come out on the bottom cover. Once they are set, then you can screw it firmly. Okay, this one is well set. This one is well set. This one also. So we turn it upright. So the pulley is now installed into the washing tub. You can see stiffness indicate that it's connected to the motor. Everything is working perfectly. Do not forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order to get notified when we bring another useful video like this. See you in my next video.